In this video, we'll walk through installing and activating easy digital downloads on your WordPress site. We'll start with the free plugin, then walk through the pro version, from downloading it to activating your license key. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add Plugin. Search for Easy Digital Downloads, then click Install Now. Once it finishes, click Activate. That's it. You're ready to move on to the setup wizard. If you have a pro plan, start by logging in to your Easy Digital Downloads account. Go to the Downloads tab, then click the green download button next to your license. This saves a zipped plugin file to your computer. In a new tab, head to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add Plugin, and click on the Upload Plugin button near the top of the screen. Click Choose File, select the zip file you downloaded, then click Install Now. Once it installs, select the Activate Plugin button. You'll know it worked when a new Downloads menu item shows up in your dashboard. That's your new selling hub. One more step for pro users: activating your license key. Copy the key from your EDD account dashboard. It's listed right along with your pass. Back in WordPress, go to Downloads, then Settings. Enter your license key into the field, then click Activate License. Once it's active, you'll be able to install any of your pro features with one click whenever you're ready. And that's it. Your plugin is installed, activated, and ready to go. In our next video, we'll talk you through launching the setup wizard to get your store's foundation in place. Find the full video and written guide, along with every other step, at easydigitaldownloads.com/start.